Go on, chef. Where's your prep for little more?
Yes.
Alright, cool. So we're going to check out the farm up at Zimbali now. And Kanye, they will give me a little tour. It smells guava. Yeah man, people see big old lemon them here. See? See it there. And everything where you eat at Zimbali come from off of them farm. Yeah, so people, this is something we call noonie or duppy sour sap. See it? See one here? See one of them here? The ripe one. Yeah man, the one that ripe. They don't smell good. Ferment it, you put it in a bag and then it drip. And then you drink the juice from that. So even the honey where them use in them kitchen or in the bar come from right here, so. See?
You know, we have our nata. It's for coloring and it carry a little flavor.
Them have ribena and again fruits from a country are drop off a tree. See it there?
Yeah man.
Ribena.
Yeah man.
And you can't eat it like this?
Yeah man, you can eat natural.
Just pick it and eat it like this?
Yeah man.
People who remember sour orange?
Can make drinks.
Make beverage. What kind of drinks?
If your belly is hurting you,
yeah,
you also can use it.
We just drink it with what?
Drink it with a little drink from. Roast it. If you roast it, it's more effective.
Ah.
Yeah, so you just roast it and put a little drink rum and
white rum?
Yeah. And drink it. And in less than no time your belly will stop.
All belly ache gone?
Yeah man.
Alright, see the people who can't, so no learn nothing today. Sour orange, roast the sour orange, juice it, and a little bit of white rum. All is well in the world again. So people don't know busy. Busy kind of look like cocoa or nutmeg. That's what the fruit look like. And it's an antidote. So Jamaican people say, I don't know how much scientific facts there behind that, but all people swear their life upon this. That busy is the best antidote for poison. So people up at Zimbali, the man them have all them own orange walk. So how you learn about plants and farming and anything there?
Well, like me learn it like for my younger days, like for my father, because my father was a farmer, you know.
See?
So me take the pattern off of him.
See?
Yeah man, that's why me know so much.
So you used to go to bush with him on weekend when you not go to school?
Yeah man, yeah man.
See?
Definitely man, so that's why me know so much, you know.
See?
Yeah man.
Cool.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Definitely,
Keep up the tradition, you know?
Yeah man, yeah man.
See? Me, so you have Alicia, who are the owner for the place. Big up yourself, Alicia.
Big up.
Blessed love. See it there, see it there.
Rastafari.
Jano. Yeah man, see it.
Yeah, this way now.
Big up Jamaica and
Wait,
yeah man, see, you're never ready. You know you have to say it by yourself now.
Big up Jamaica and God.
Blessed.
Big up Jamaica and God.
man. See it there. Blessed love. Well, this is like a Passover.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, welcome to our farm to table excursion. No main tagline is no farm, no food.
No farm, no food.
Support our local farmer. Please do remember to save the honeybee, right? So the first appetizer is some iceberg lettuce and coconut salad, right?
Yeah man, Jamaica Uncut on TVJ. See it there. I road you got enough people. Yeah man, I'm big league way there now. How is the salad?
It's really good.
Yeah, me like it too, it tastes nice. Yeah man, you can get to have fun. Ricky, your salad?
Salad good man.
Salad nice. That's true, your salad done. Like I'm gonna take up the thing now and just drink it. Yeah man, we can't do that too, you know. Why the man a sweat like he do something wrong?
I saw you go man.
Yeah man, so I'm going to check out him page, Fleming's Poetry. Yeah man. With a Zimbali retreat, I go on like we nice, I eat stush soup and salad and any kind of something there. Yeah, that's something there.
Butter from green grass, anchor from green grass, butter from green grass.
Alright people, I want everybody big up the chef. Yeah, big up the chef, yeah. Blessed love. Yeah man.